This is the ORAP. I am Vanessa James. Here are the stories making headlines today. It was pure jubilation this morning at North Street and Frankfield as Kingston College and Edwin Allen High celebrated their triumphs in the boys and girls athletics championships over the weekend. Edwin Allen retained their title after garnering 352 points at the 5-day championship, while on the boys' side, KC dethroned JC with 372 points. In other news, 12 people were shot and injured during a party in Franklin Town, East Kingston on Sunday night. They have all been admitted to hospital in stable condition. ORAP understands the party was being held late last night at the intersection of Wellington Street, York Street, and Lacey Road in Franklin Town when gunshots were heard. When the shooting subsided, 12 people were found suffering from gunshot wounds. Protesters blocked the Brownstown Main Road on Monday morning to call attention to what they say are deplorable roads. Police said they were alerted to the impassable roads about 2:30 a.m. They managed to clear some of the debris and the traffic is once again flowing. The protesters included taxi and bus operators who had withdrawn their services, arguing that they are tired of the road condition. They have vowed to keep blocking the roads until they hear of a plan to have it fixed.
Peaceful demonstration only work with workplace. Yeah, but for government to get government's attention, we have to do something like this. Inconvenience the judge, the nurse, the police, the teachers going to work. You understand? Yeah, people going to airport have inconvenience them just to get some attention.
In international news, supporters of Jamaican immigrant Peter Spencer continue to protest the fatal shooting of the 29-year-old by a former colleague during a cabin trip in Pennsylvania last year. On Saturday, family members of the deceased and a group called the Lion of Judah Armed Forces gathered in downtown Pittsburgh to demand an arrest in Spencer's death, while stating that the fight will not be over until they have received answers. A county district attorney determined last month that the man who fatally shot Spencer at his cabin 9 times did so out of self-defense. This has been the ORAP. Catch up with these and other stories on JamaicaObserver.com. I am Vanessa James.